In this video, I will show you how to log on to Paragon/MLS. First, you will need to visit the Bay East website at www.bayeast.org. At the top of the home screen, you will see a link on the right that says Paragon/MLS. Click that link. If you are on a mobile device, your screen will show a 3-line icon on the upper right-hand corner. Click on that, and then you will find Paragon/MLS from the drop-down menu. Once you get there, it will ask you for your 9-digit member number, which is also your NERDS number and your password. If it's your first time logging onto the MLS, it will ask you to create a new password, answer security questions, and sign the EULA, End User License Agreement. If you forgot your member number and/or password, need assistance logging on, or have any questions, Bay East Tech Support is happy to help. Just give them a call at 925-730-7100. Thank you.